Welcome to my channel SD Tech Hub. In this video, we will discuss about the development of a lateral surface of a cone, which is cut by a section plane at the lateral surface as well as at its base. So this is a problem which we have considered for the development. A cone of a base radius 25 and axis 65 mm is resting on HP on its base. A section plane is perpendicular to the VP and inclined to HP at 55 degree. It is cutting the cone and bisecting its axis. So with these parameters, we have to draw the development of a cut section of the cone. So with this given dimension, we will construct its front view and the top view. We will start from the top view first because the circular base of the cone will be visible in a top view. So start with the XY line. So this is a reference line between the vertical plane and the horizontal plane, which shows the front view and the top view of the cone respectively. So we will start with the top view. It is having a circular base of a radius 25 mm. So take a radius equal to 25 mm and draw a circle. Now divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Now name each and every part of the circle. Now name the center of the circle which represent the axis OS, where O is the apex point of the cone and S is the bottommost point of the axis OS. So in this way we have completed the top view of the cone of a radius 25. Now draw the projection from the each and every point on the circle to the front view. Now name these points at the base. So this will be A dash, this B will overlap on H and appear as a single point here. So this will be B dash H dash. This C will overlap on G and appear as a single point. So here this is a C dash G dash. Then D will overlap on F and this will be D dash F dash. And lastly the point E, which is a E dash in a front view. Now we have to locate the axis of the cone. So axis height is given here. It is a 65 mm in a problem. So from the center we have to draw the vertical line of a 65 mm which represent the axis OS. So this is the axis OS of a 65 mm and this point is the apex point, which is the topmost point of the cone. Now we have to join all the base points with the apex. Now we have to locate the position of the section plane in a front view. So to locate the position, the conditions are given that section plane is perpendicular to the BP and it is inclined to the HP at a 55 degree. And the another condition is that section plane is bisecting the axis of the cone. So we have to take the midpoint of the axis O dash S dash. Now from that midpoint, draw one horizontal line parallel to XY up to O dash E dash. Then take protractor and take angle equal to 55 degree and draw a section plane. So this is a section plane which is inclined at a 55 degree with the HP. Now remove upper portion of the cone and highlight the bottom portion with the dark line. Now we have to develop this much of the portion of the cone in the development. So in this way we have completed the front view of the cone. Now we have to go for the development of lateral surface of this cone. If you observe the top view of the cone carefully, the generator OA and OE are parallel to the XY line. So this generator in the front view shows its true length, and its true length is equal to the 70 mm. So take O dash A dash length and draw one line parallel to the O dash E dash. So this is OA line. Now we have to draw one curve which is included between the two lines. To draw the curve which included between the two lines, we have to find out the angle between the two lines. So we have a formula for locating the second line which encloses that curve. Theta, which is the angle between the two lines, is equal to small r divided by capital R into 360. This small r is nothing but a base radius, which is equal to 25 mm, and this capital R is equal to the true length of the generator of the cone, and it is equal to 70 mm. So with this ratio, we can find that theta is equal to 129 degree. So draw another line which is inclined at a 129 degree from this O. So this is a line at a 129 degree. Now take a radius equal to OA and enclose that two lines with a curve. So this is a complete development of the curved surface of a cone. Now divide this arc into 8 equal parts because we have divided this circle into the 8 number of parts. Now join these points with the O. Now name each and every point here. Now we have to locate this cut section of the cone in this development. Now we have to observe the position of the section plane in a front view. So we'll start from the base here. That section plane is intersecting the base of the pyramid here. So from point of intersection of this section plane with the base, we have to draw one vertical projection in a top view. This vertical projection will intersect this arc AB and AH at 1 and 2 respectively. Now take a distance equal to A1 in compass and locate this one point on this AB arc. Similarly, we are having the 2 points at the same distance from the A on AH curve. So on this AH curve, locate the second point. So in this way, we have completed the base. Now this section plane is intersecting this OB and OH slant edges or the generators here. So from this point of intersection, we have to draw one horizontal line parallel to XY up to this OA. Consider this point as a 1. Take a radius equal to O1 and with the center O, draw an arc and find out the intersection of that curve with the same generators in the development. So this will be point of intersection with the OB, that is P1, and this is a point of intersection with OH, that is P7. Now next, this section plane is intersecting the OC and OG generators here. Now we have to draw one horizontal line from that point of intersection parallel to XY up to OA. Now consider this point as 2. Take a radius equal to O2, O as a center, again draw one arc and find out the intersection of that curve with the same generators in the development. So this is a point of intersection with the OC, it is named as P2, and this is a point of intersection with the OG and it is P6. Now next generators are, this section plane is intersecting this OD and OF generators here. So from this point of intersection of that section plane with the generators, draw one horizontal line parallel to XY up to OA. Consider this point as a 3. Take a radius equal to O3 and with the center O, draw one arc. So this will intersect the same generators in the development. So this point will be P3 and this will be P5. Now the last generator is remaining, that is OE. So this section plane is intersecting that generator OE here. So from this point, draw one horizontal line parallel to XY up to OA. Consider this point as a 4. Take a radius equal to O4, O as a center, and again draw one arc. It will intersect the generator OE here. So this will be P4. Now we have located all the points within this development to locate the cut section of this cone. So we have to join all the points with the smooth curve. We have to join the curve from the 1 to 2. So this is a complete development of lateral surface of a cut section of this cone.